how to recover PlayStation Network account without email or password. Google search for Contact Us PlayStation, scroll down until you see Contact Us Sony Interactive Entertainment. Now here you will select PlayStation products and services, which is going to take you to the correct website. And now what you gotta do is to press on this speech bubble here in the bottom right. We're going to click on Get Started, and we are going to select Continue Without Login. Now once you select Continue Without Login, then you will choose Restore My Account. And here it's gonna ask you for some information. So what we gotta do is type this message: I've lost access to my PlayStation account and I can't access neither my email nor my password. I don't have two-factor authentication enabled on my account either. I can provide proof that it is indeed my account, such as my account history, purchase history, and last login time. So you want to send this message to the agent, and if it doesn't want to connect you to an agent, you just have to keep saying connect or talk to a real person, and afterwards they should assist you as long as you can provide sufficient history of your account, and they will help you restore your account. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.